Hello YouTube, Red to Green here with another recap. Today is December 13th, 2021, and I'm up over $500, $539 to be exact. Pretty good day for me. I traded 5 stocks: BFRI, BLU, NES, PTPI, and SGMA. BFRI, I'm up almost $300 on it. I kind of scalped since the open, and there's not really a good time frame where I took majority of the trades. I took it up until about lunchtime, so it moved all the way to 820, and it gave some good scalping opportunities, but it also was choppy. You see the high wicks on the candles, and I'm just glad to be up. And the spreads were about 4 cents or so, so I was spinning my wheels at some point. And towards the end, over about lunchtime, right around 2 o'clock, that's where I made majority of my money on BFRI. The next stock was BLU. BLU gave some good moves at the beginning of the market open. I was up over $200 on that stock, and then that one candle at 10:11, I was waiting for the break of that 3640 mark, and that I got in on that micro pullback at 926, and I was hoping it's going to pull back up over the 940 area, but it never happened. It actually flushed to 880 area. I'm glad to be, I was out at it about 9, so I got in at 926 and I was out at 905, so about 20-cent loss. So I was back down for less than $100 for the day. So that was kind of a major drawback on me, for me. And I switched my gears, right? I switched my stock to a PTPI, and PTPI gave some good opportunities. PTPI had good trend, 2 trend lines that I was trading for breakout. The first trend line breakout was about 956. I scalped that area, then it was in range for a while. Then I did a kind of a 1-minute pullback trend lines. That's another opportunity for scalping, and it gave some really good opportunities for scalping. I'm up on it almost $100, but not quite. I'm happy to be up $97 on PTPI. The next stock was NES. NES gave some moves. I believe it halted early in the market open, and I was hoping kind of for another move like that, and it never did. It was really choppy for me. A lot of tall wicks on the 1 minute. It just didn't really give opportunities for scalping, not a lot. So I'm glad I kind of wasn't down on it more than I am now. So I'm $16 in red on it. Nothing bad. It did give some moves later, but I was mainly focusing on SGMI at that time, so I didn't kind of capture any of those moves. So next stock is SGMA. SGMA was actually halted around 1050, and that's where I traded. After the halt resume over 10 minutes, that's where I traded. I traded a pullback around 1613 area, and I traded around 1720 area. So it was a really small share size, about 75 shares, I believe I traded. So small scalps here on the micro pullbacks. Gave good opportunity, almost $50 up. I'm glad to be up today. Market definitely has some momentum. I see a low float momentum in some stocks, which is really nice to see. Monday is not as dead as last week, so happy to see that. Glad to be up over $500. Hopefully tomorrow brings the similar results. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully you like this video. Hit a like, hit subscribe. I'm going to continue doing my recaps. Tell in the comments, how did you do today? You red, you green, what did you trade? What kind of style you trading? All right, guys, talk to you tomorrow.